All right, good afternoon. We are doing a quick flyover with the drone of before starting a job here. Just got the trailer backed in so it's ready for tomorrow. All the material is here and ready to rock. This is the old roof we're going to be stripping down. It is mid 40 square roof, low pitch. I believe it to be one layer on one buys. I don't remember. It's been a few months. That chimney in the background near that messed up valley, we're going to actually tear it down. It's not being used. Just going to go below the roof line and decked over, paying careful attention to that valley with ice and water and the direction we run the shingles because it's kind of a weird valley. The 3 power fans are going to be replaced. He wants new ones. If you ever have power fans on your roof, you get your roof replaced, it's a good idea to replace them, or at very least just reach under and see if they spin freely, because over time they clog up with debris, just get wore out, seized up, and don't work. The chimney in the background up there on the sole triangle away from the screen here, that is actually going to be reflashed completely. It's all new step flash and flashing below and above, and then we'll have counter flash on top of that. Pretty straight, simple, clean cut roof here. When it's all said and done, cleaned down, we'll be running new gutter guards inside the gutters there. They're a 6-inch leaf for leaf, or I'm sorry, not leaf for leaf. I don't remember the brand, but I get those direct from the manufacturer. We're going to drop those in. Simple to install. They don't go up and raise up under the shingles. Actually, let me show you that here. There's many on the market. A lot of them are junk. This one here, I'm not a fan of. That one I pushed down just to verify the measurement is correct for what I've got. But you can see if I get lower, they will actually raise up the shingles in areas. If you go down next to the roof, you can see how they raise the shingles up right there. Well, that really poses a problem when you're on a low slope roof like this. Let me back away to hopefully stop the buzzing that's in front of me. There we go, a little bit further away. There we go. So they hold the shingles up, and on a lower slope roof, the water coming down the roof hits that, and it has a tendency where the shingles are raised up. Let me try to zoom in on it right here. You can see where those shingles are slightly raised. The water flows back up under. It's kind of like an ice dam in a sense. It runs laterally, can get under that and start causing issues with it. The gutters that we're going to be putting in actually will drop down below the shingles, flat into the gutter. So you won't actually see them. If you're at, say, gutter height right here, you won't see any of it. Actually, you won't see it until you're at the gutter height or higher. So if you're looking at getting gutter guards, really look at the different brands out there and make a good decision on what you're looking for. There's the chimney that's going to have new flashing. It's all just kind of nasty tar right now. Actually, I'll do a slow, low flyover like this. And you can kind of see this valley gets kind of wonky right here. So that one is not being used. I actually did a video here months ago, verified in his basement area where the utilities are that went to that chimney that it was indeed removed, and that it goes out the sidewall of the high efficient. You never want to just take somebody's word for it without visually checking, because you could have a problem where it's actually dumping hot fumes, monoxide up into an attic area. So very good idea to actually visually check and make sure that they are disconnected and not running. Actually, if I can remember, let me see if there's any trees over here. Come back here carefully and see. Zoom out. Gotta find a safe spot right down here. I need a camera behind me. Alright, so right there, you can see the furnace filter come out, or I'm sorry, the exhaust come out right there behind that. That's exactly where I remember it, because I was in the basement down there looking, and then the hot water was electric. There was nothing actually still running into that chimney. Now the other one, on the other hand, it's got flue coming through, and there were utilities hooked to it, so that will actually stay. Alright, I believe that's trim these limbs back here just a little bit away from the roof here. Guys will have this knocked out. We'll be moving on to the next one. Alright, we are actually, it's Sunday right now. I don't normally work on a Sunday, but due to the fact that we need this set up and ready to go, I need to get the trailer here. So they're not waiting on me, because I've got things I'll be busy tied up on tomorrow in another city. So that's why I'm here on Sunday dropping it off. Alright, as always, until next time, be safe. Keep your eye out for the after shots of this one. and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.